6-year 100,000-mile Jaguar Approved Zero Deductible certified warranty until October 20, 2023 and covered maintenance until October 20, 2022 or 60,000 miles. MSRP of $72,221 on this loaded F-PACE S with black package incorporated, door claddings in body color with gloss black finishers, gloss black side vents, S rear bumper with corner and body color and diffuser in gloss black grille with gloss black surround, driver assistance package incorporated, traffic sign recognition and adaptive speed limiter, adaptive cruise control with Q assist, park assist, 360-degree parking aid, surround camera system, traffic sign recognition and adaptive speed limiter, comfort and convenience package incorporated, electrically reclining rear seats and rear seat remote release levers, powered gesture tailgate, cooled front seats, and heated rear seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, 2215 spoke gloss black finish with satin black inserts and heated front windshield too.